it outside, it's muggy. It is humid out there. That's just thunderstorm fuel. All we need is a trigger for it, and that trigger is a cold front that is dropping southward. So the end result is we've got the threat for some severe thunderstorms as we continue through the next several hours. Now at the moment, the threat is more to our north and west, but we're keeping an eye on it. There are your severe thunderstorm watches, and you see they extend all the way from Missouri across Illinois, Indiana, Ohio, and they do dip down into parts of Kentucky. So with that severe thunderstorm watch, it runs from Pendleton and Grant County through Owen, Henry, Shelby, through Spencer County all the way down to Nelson County. So again, that's a severe thunderstorm watch until 11 o'clock. Don't be surprised if that gets expanded just a little bit. And we've got isolated popcorn type thunderstorms that are going here as we get into the quarter after 5. You see these storms mainly east of I-75. You also see some vigorous storms up across parts of Indiana. The storm that's gone by Cynthiana for you folks there in Harrison County is now working its way up toward Millersburg and Carlisle. Also a storm that's now just east of Paris. Movement of this is a little south of due east. You get under this storm, there is some locally heavy rain from this. Arriving in Carlisle in about the next 10 minutes or so with that particular cell. Millersburg, again, you'll get that in the next few minutes. Other cells getting now into parts of Bath County. You look just to the east of Winchester, going out there along the Mountain Parkway. Kirksville there in Madison County. You've got another cell in progress. And one just popped up here in the southern part of Jackson County to the southwest there of Annville. You've also got one between London and Corbin right there on I-75. It is raining hard. Bigger picture, there's your line of thunderstorms along I-70. That one is also dropping to the south. A lot of lightning with these storms, and the movement of that whole line is coming southward with time. So we will see the threat for strong and severe thunderstorms increasing as we go through the next several hours. Slight risk of severe storms covers just about the entire area. Southern eastern parts not included. There's an enhanced risk, that's level 2 for you folks there in northern Kentucky. So what we're looking at, damaging wind gust potential is there. Really our severe weather parameters do remain on the low side, but the storms that do form will have locally heavy rain and a lot of lightning. So those are our main weather parameters. So from quarter after 5, there's your cluster of storms north of I-64. We take our future track through the next several hours. You'll watch that big line from Ohio and Indiana dropping southward and beginning to congeal across the areas we get you into the hours after midnight. So again, it'll be rocking and rolling for some of us. So a few strong evening thunderstorms are around. Heavy and slow moving thunderstorms. Our overall weather pattern is really slowing down. So if you get under a couple of these storms, you can get a whole lot of water in a hurry. Neighbor 5-10 miles away may not get quite so much. In the 8-day, there are several rain days, but there are dry times mixed in. But the threat for excessive rainfall does exist. That's a slight category for today, and that begins to decrease some for us tomorrow, but it doesn't really go away, especially across southern Kentucky. So our future track, again, we've got that line of thunderstorms dropping south ahead of the cold front. That front is going to get to about I-64 and then really start to put the brakes on. With that front hanging around and a couple of areas of low pressure out to the west, the bottom line is rain is going to be a big part of our forecast future. At the moment, it is a muggy 86 and windy too at the Bluegrass Airport. Rain and thunderstorms around. Strong storms are possible. Heavy rain is possible. We'll be in the upper 60s tonight. Variable clouds, scattered showers and storms around tomorrow. We'll be in the low 80s. It does not rain all day. There'll be several dry hours tomorrow. And really that's the case over the next several days. There will be dry times, although fewer of them as we get you into the weekend.
Be nice to thin them out by then at least.
Yeah.
Thank you.